Ooh, Bella, what did you build?
Choo-choo.
A choo-choo train? Good job. You did a good job. Are you going to build something else?
I can't add that, Mommy.
That's a sailboat. You built a sailboat now.
Yeah.
You did a good job. You could build something else? Where's the diamond? Get the diamond. Oh, that's the oval. Can you get the diamond next? Good job. Okay, and now the triangle. Ooh, good job. What about the square? Yay, what is that?
Fish.
That sure is a fish.